Hello everyone. Now we have created few test cases using object repositories. Now we will see how to create a new test suite and add all the test cases. To create test suite, right click on this test suites, click new, and there let me create a folder. Let me give name as master suite. This is the folder name I am giving. In this folder, I am creating a new test suite. I am right clicking, selecting new and creating a test suite. And test suite name is master suite 1. I am giving this as name and I am giving description as well and I click OK. Now our test suite is created. In this test suite, we need to add the required test cases we have created. I am clicking this add button and I am selecting the test cases. First, I am selecting list users and I click OK. And again, I am selecting add button and I am giving create user. And in imgur folder, I am selecting the test case imgur with headers. These are nothing but the test cases we have created. Those are only displayed there. Here we can see those test cases which we created under test cases folder. In imgur we are seeing this imgur with header and list and create users folder. We will be seeing list users and create users test cases. We have to select and add it in this suite. Once we have added, we have to run this test suite. Now our test suite is started running. Now our test case execution is completed. In log viewer, you can see the list of test cases executed, and if you see this green tick mark, it means that our test cases are passed. Now we will see how to configure reports with these test suites. We can able to create XML report, PDF report and HTML report using Catalan Studio. For that, you have to go to store.catalan.com URL and sign in with your account. Enter your username and password and click sign in. Once you logged in, you will be seeing your name here, and here you search a plugin called report. Just type report and click search button. And here you will see a free plugin called basic report. Just download this plugin by clicking this download button. Now we have downloaded this plugin. Once you have downloaded, you have to go to plugin store in your Catalan Studio and click reload plugins. This is the plugin store and I am clicking this drop down and I am selecting reload plugins. Now our plugin will get reloaded in our project. Here you can see plugin name and license is free, and if you want you can review it, else you can close. Now let me run the test suite. Let us watch the log viewer. Now our test cases are started running. You can see the progress here and the results here. Total test runs also here. Now you can see here started generating HTML report, and it is providing one path to the report. In console you can see where those reports are created. This is the location of the reports created, and let us go to this location. I am copying it. I am copying this path, and I am going to that location. Inside this location you will see CSV reports, HTML reports and JUnit report. This is the one of the HTML report we have executed so far. Here we will see passed and failed results in this report. Let us intentionally fail one of our test cases and verify the report whether it is showing failed message or not. Let me modify this list users test cases and I will fail it. I am verifying its status code is 400 or not. Now it will fail. Now this particular test case will fail after running the test suite. Now our test suite is running. Here you can see this test case is failed and it is generating the reports, and the report is generated. Let us go to that report location. And let us open this, and let me open this HTML report, and our HTML report is opening. Yeah, if you we have to enable JavaScript in our browser, just click allow content in the browser to allow it if any error message thrown. I am clicking allow blocked content, and here we can see 3 total test cases and 2 passed, 1 failed. In that failed we will see error messages like expected status code is 400 but the actual status code is 200. This is how we will create and analyze reports in our Catalan Studio, and also this is how we will create test suites and adding test cases in it.